Hello everybody, Magnet Mark here, and today I'm going to give you a video tutorial on how to put the Garrett Ace 250 together. So there's the Garrett Ace 250. Awesome metal detector. I've been using it for the past week, and I had some good finds at the weekend. So I'll show you the contents and what you should do. So inside you will have your coil with your lead attached, so make sure you got that. You'll have your main section, which is your control panel and the bit that you put into your arm, so that's another bit that will be in the box. You've got the two extender poles which you'll need. A little plastic threaded bolt for the coil and a cable tie. So that's the bits that you'll have. And inside your Garrett detector box you'll also have this 3 DVDs of how to use it and set it up, and obviously all your bits and pieces inside their instruction booklet. With mine I've got this, so I'll show you how to put that on at the end. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is grab this piece, and we'll start off. This is already on here. You're going to need 4 AA batteries, so I've already put mine in, so mine's ready to go, and then just slide so I can get it on. And slide the back on like that. So that's the back on, and let's get back to this. Right, so you'll have one with this end on, so that's going to go on last. So you need the one with both open ends on first, and then literally push your pipe on, press the 2 buttons and take it to the first level. So that'll be that one done. So that's how it's looking so far. Then you get this one, put this one in and take it to however high you want to go. I'll take it quite far back because we're going to show you how to put the coil on, so I will take that back to there. So you've got the 2 extenders on now, and you've also got your main unit. Right, so now we're going to take the coil part and we're going to attach it that way round, so the point of this is facing forward. And we take the extender pole and just slide it into place until the hole lines up. So it should look something like this. And then you take this piece, the little threaded bolt, undo that, slide it through this way, all the way through, so that's in, and just push it back slightly just so you can get the other end on, because sometimes it's a bit of a pain getting it on. So let's thread this one up. And then just tighten that all the way to the end. But don't over tighten it, because you're going to want to adjust your coil, so make sure you leave it a little bit loose just to adjust your coil to whichever kind of ground you're using. So there we go, so the coil's on, the whole attachment is on. So now you've got your piece of your cable here, so we need to wrap that around the cable, sort of loop it all the way up until you've got just this piece here. So I'll take mine down a bit more and wrap it around again, and then this piece here is going to connect into this slot. So it'll only go one way round, so be careful when you're pushing it in, because you don't want to damage the pins. And then give it a push all the way in, and then you'll get a little ring which you need to tighten up. And then just give that a spin. That'll then lock your wire in, and you excuse me, you are good to go. Okay, so with the cable tie, so you've got your cable tie. It's a reusable one, so you can actually unclip at any time, and then literally put your cable tie around the wire once you've got your wire in place, and then lock it off like that, and then that'll keep your cable all nice and tidy there. So the last piece I've got for my Garrett is I have the Garrett Ace cover, which is the waterproof cover for your control panel. So if you're out in the rain, nice to have one of these just to keep some moisture off. So just undo it like that. It simply slides over and then velcros behind, and it actually kind of makes it look kind of nice. So there we go. There's the Garrett Ace 250, which I've also used. I really rate it. Go out and buy one, and I will upload a video soon of putting some camo tape on there, show you guys how it looks, and with some nice camo tape. So thanks for watching my videos, like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.